Hello out there in Traderland, D7 here with freetradingvideos.com. Here we are again. Markets up again today. The Dow, Nasdaq, S&P, Russell's all up, but the Russell's was the big runner today. I felt that in full force as I was long the market, and boy was it fun. Now, I dodged a bullet. It stormed here in my location, and when it stormed, it poured. Kept me from going golfing. Usually Tuesdays are golfing days for me. My brother-in-law, who sells motorhomes, and large ones at that. Very popular place at Tom Raper. Anyway, that the storms kept us from going golfing, and I was able to stay here to make lots of money day trading. Oh, fun stuff. I like the Russells being up that much. I don't know why I just went on that bunny trail, but I did. The VIX down just a little bit here. I see that we're right at around the 25. Let's get moving here. We popped up again. What was the thing that I was really looking for was, are we going to make a higher high on the S&P? We did get that higher high. That was a very bullish move, because I'll tell you, after a breakout like we received yesterday, which is Monday, a lot of times you'll get a stall and a drop so it's more of a head fake than a breakout. But in this case, we did make a higher high and a higher low. Very promising on the bull side. The MACD staying well above that zero line. Nice to see. And we have a positive tick on the histogram there on the MACD also. Now, I'm going to step away from this just for a minute, show you the spiders, just so we can bring volume into it. Volume a little lighter as we continue north here. You can see the volume starting to dissipate right here. I got the 20 moving average on here, and it's dropping. And today, not overly impressive on the volume side of things, so pay special attention to that. Now let's go back to the S&P. Now remember, volume confirms price action. So we have price action is very bullish, but we have volume falling out. So that shows weakness. Anyway, I drew in a couple more lines here. As you remember what I said in yesterday's video, chances were really good we would get support right around 1006 and 1007. And what was interesting is we got up right there near, well, our high was 2007 exactly, and then we come right back down, closing at 1006 right there to the last price. And so we just nailed it again using these highs. Let me go back and show you right here, these areas, and you can go and draw those on your own chart. So where's the next area of resistance? Well, we got to get past 1007, and the next area I drew in right here is going to be 1009 or 1010 area. That's our next area of resistance. After that, it's there's no resistance, but we're seeing volume falling out of it. So how much farther can the market continue up with bad news? Friday, big news coming out pre-market, job numbers, employment. Huge coming out. So this week we have some news things coming out. We have some earnings coming out that can cause the markets to do whatever they want to. But if we can get over 1010, I mean, it's just blue skies, open, no resistance here. And that would be a fun run. So right now I am bullish the markets. I added in quite a few, but I am hedged big time, because if we could crash and burn at any second, if that happens, I need to make sure my long positions are in fact hedged, and they are. I will unload my hedges tomorrow morning if the markets continue bullish. But if we crash and burn, I will unload those long positions I have. And oh boy, I should share with you just a couple of my positions. All right, now listen, I'm going to share with you some of my positions here, but the last time I did this, I brought up what was it, ALGT feed, remember those? Well, you guys went right out and bought them. That's thinking like an amateur, and that was an amateur move. I'm going to chastise you a little bit here. Just because somebody brings up a stock that is not a green light to go out and buy the thing. I'll tell you this, I'm going to bring up a couple here, and you're going to fight with the temptation of buying these. I would ask you to second guess that motion, because I just told you moments ago that if tomorrow the markets start to fall out of bed, I will start lightening up on those long positions that I have, including the ones that I'll share with you right now. And I could sell every share or contract that I have of them, or I might do half. You just don't know what my game plan is on these. So you can look at them, evaluate them with your own analysis, and determine if they meet your criteria on entry. So anyway, I'll share, WMS was a good one today. This here, WMS, a high base formation, breaking out just as we thought. I'll tell you, gang, you knew about this one. Well, those that are part of the V newsletter, you knew about this one. High base formation, looking for a breakout. Sure enough, bam, we get that. And we got nice volume here. Really cool. I entered on a 30-minute gap strategy. BJRI, another one on the V newsletter that we featured. I said this one is ready to rock and roll right now. And bam, this thing just takes off on big volume. Boom! And clearing out a lot of this resistance area. I'm in this one also. Let's also take a look at, let's do RIM also. This one broke out volume over the 20-day moving average, or 20 bar moving average right there. So nice volume, but a lot of that volume came on the bearish side when we started selling off here. We went up, tagged 80, which 80 is a big time area right here. You can see that we tagged it and dropped. I'm holding this one off of this high base formation that we've been talking about, been licking my chops for this one, and it's starting to go. I just need follow through. I don't like that big upper shadow. That looks a little toppy to me. I want to see some follow through, and for this thing to follow through, I need to get some bullish, more bullish momentum there in the markets. So again, I urge you, do not enter any of these unless they meet your particular criteria on entry. And these, like I said, if the markets start to get shaky on me, I will exit these dudes right now. I actually hold, I think, 7 or 8 other positions. We just don't have time. This is already almost an 8-minute video. So, but anyway, for all those, I did post some in the private V newsletter forum, some of these trades also. So if you happen to be playing them or you want to discuss with them, feel free to join in. Take care. Happy trading to you. We'll see you there in the forum and also the chat room.